The coroner's court ruled that a taxi driver was killed unlawfully after a jury entered a majority verdict of 4-1. This was the second time that the coroner's court found the driver's cause of death to be unlawful. The case dated back to 2012, when the 65-year-old taxi driver died a month after a police officer put him in a chokehold during an arrest. Samantha Lee has the details.
The tragedy stems from a fare dispute back in November 2012. The taxi driver Cheng Fai-Wong allegedly assaulted a Japanese passenger at a toll booth at the Western Harbour crossing. Police officer Lam Wai-Wing put his arm around Cheng's neck and tried to pull him up to a police vehicle. After 1 month of hospitalization, Cheng died from complications that arose from a cervical dislocation. Early in 2018, the coroner's court found the driver to have been unlawfully killed. The ruling was later quashed by the High Court in 2022, after the police constable involved applied for a judicial review. The case was returned to the coroner's court for a second inquest. Coroner Raymond Chow earlier guided the jury that they should consider whether the act of a chokehold by police officer Lam was intentional, illegal, and dangerous. The jury was given 5 options: unlawful killing, accident, misadventure, natural causes, or an open verdict. 5 jurors included 3 men and 2 women, reached a majority verdict of unlawful killing by 4-1 on Thursday afternoon. The inquest jury pointed out that there was misconduct on the part of the police officer, who posed a threat to the taxi driver's life during the arrest. They suggested installing surveillance cameras in police cars to ensure the safety of arrestees. 2 daughters of the deceased left the court without speaking to the press. However, in a later statement, they urged the Department of Justice to restart a criminal investigation. Following the ruling, Secretary for Security Chris Tang was asked by reporters if the constable involved is still serving in the force. Tang said he was. He then said the authorities would decide their next step after studying the judgment. He said it may be quite controversial to set up cameras in police cars, as arrestees may not want to be filmed. Samantha Lee, TVB News.